Hello children, nice to meet you again in your Maths online class. I hope you have completed the previous class homework. Yes children, how is your studies? That too, especially how the Maths class is going on. Say, what do you think? Whether the Maths class seems difficult or not? If it seems difficult, you can ask me your doubts. But it is not enough to just ask doubts and do it that sums again and again in your house. Okay? It always becomes so much easier for us when we keep repeating an incomprehensible question. Okay children? Now we can start the Maths class. Listen carefully. Let us see the continuation of the previous class. Okay? In the previous class we have studied about the distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Okay, today we are going to learn about distributive property related sums. Okay children, all of you look at the board in exercise 1.4 ninth question. Okay, solve both the parts and compare the answers. Are they the same? Okay, here two parts are given. First part is minus 3 into 5 plus 2 and B is minus 3 into 5 plus minus 3 into 2. Yes children? Yes or no? So this is commutative property of multiplication over addition. Yes children? Here multiplication and addition operations are came. Yes or no? So that's why this is related to distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, so first of all you solve both the parts. Okay, so first part A, so you find the value of A part. Okay, what is given? Minus 3 into 5 plus 2. Okay, so what is the value of minus 3 into 5 plus 2? Here one bracket inside, what is given? 5 plus 2. So always first of all to find the value of inside the bracket. Okay, so minus 3 one integer plus what is the value of, sorry here multiply, yes, multiply 5 plus 2. What is the value of 5 plus 2? 7. Okay, so minus 3 into 7 minus into plus minus 3 sevens are 21. So minus 3 into 7 is equal to the value is 20 minus 21. Okay. Okay children? Yes. Now we have to find the value of B part. What is given in the B part? Minus 3 into 5 plus minus 3 into 2. Here you see here plus and minus operations are coming. Yes. So whenever there are more than operation we use the BODMAS rule. Okay, here where B stands for bracket and O for half, D for division, M for multiplication and A for addition. So first of all we have to find the value of multiplication operation. Okay, so நம்மளுக்கு BODMAS rule multiply க்கு பிறகு தான் என்ன செய்யணும், ஆட் பண்ணணும். அப்ப என்ன செய்யணும், முதல்ல multiplication operation வர்ற வேல்யூவை முதல்ல கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். சரியா? So that's why we have to find the value of minus 3 into 5. So minus 3 into 5. What is the value of minus 3 into 5? Minus into plus minus 3 5s are 15. Okay, so the value of minus 3 into 5 is equal to minus 15. You write here. Minus 15 plus what is the value of minus 3 into 2? Minus into plus minus 3 2s are 6. Okay, minus 3 into 5 value is minus 15. Minus 3 into 2 value is minus 6. Okay children, now this is, we have to add these two integers. Yes, one is minus 15 and another one is minus 6. So if the integers having same sign, so we add their absolute values and put the same sign. Okay, so 15 plus 6 is equal to 21 and the sign is minus. So your answer is minus 21. You see here A part answer is minus 21 and B part also minus 21. So therefore both are same. Yes children? So therefore A part and B part are equal. So therefore minus 3 into 5 plus 2 is equal to minus 3 into 5 plus minus 3 into 2. Okay, children? Clear? Yes. Now write it in the classwork note. All of you take your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note and write today's day and date. Write the heading exercise 1.4 ninth question. Write it. Children, all of you take your classwork note and write today's day and date and write the heading exercise 1.4. Okay? Write the question number 9. Solve both the parts and compare the answer. Are they same? And write the question. Okay? Write neatly, children. 2 parts, A and B parts are given. First of all, you solve both the parts and compare the answers. Okay? Already these type of questions we have studied in distributive property and commutative property and associative property. Yes, children? So it is easy. Write neatly, at the same time write with good handwriting. Okay? Have you finished? I hope you have written. Now the next question. Children, listen, see the question. A part and B part, both parts are given. Okay? First of all, you solve the parts and compare the answer. Okay, children? Here A part is what given? 7 into minus 2 minus 12. Okay, children? Here under distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay? Yes or no? Yes. So, first of all, you solve the part A. So, what is given in A part? 7 into minus 12 minus 12. Sorry, minus 2, okay? Equal to, you see here, inside the bracket what is given? Curly bracket is given. So, curly bracket given inside minus 2 minus of minus 12. Here the operation is subtraction, okay? So, what to do? In subtraction, say, We add the additive inverse. Yes, children? So 7 into minus 2 minus sign into plus. That time you put the additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of minus 12? 12. Okay. Yes. Now 7 into again minus 2 plus 12. What is the value of minus 2 plus 12? புரியுதா? நம்மளுக்கு என்ன செய்யணும்? முதல்ல பிராக்கெட்ல இருக்கிறது தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். இந்த பிராக்கெட்ல என்ன இருக்கு? சப்ட்ராக்ஷன் சைன் இருக்கு. ஸோ சப்ட்ராக்ஷனை நம்ம என்ன செய்வோம்? ஆடா கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுவோம். அப்போ ஆடா கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணும்போது என்ன செய்வோம்? Additive inverse of the subtraction to be other. Okay. So that's why minus 2 minus sign into plus. That time we put the additive inverse of minus 12. Okay. So that's why 7 into minus 12 minus 2 minus sign into plus. That time put the additive inverse mean that is 12. So now we have to find the value of minus 2 plus 12. 10. Yes, children? Here the integers having opposite sign. One is positive and another is negative. So you find the difference and put the greater value sign. So 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. The greater value is 12. That sign is plus. So your answer is 10. Okay. So therefore 7 into 10 is equal to your answer is 70. Okay, children? Clear? Yes. Now you come to the B part. Okay. Here no space. So I will write here. B part. 7 into minus 2 minus 7 into minus 12. So first of all we have to find the value of multiplication operation. Okay. So that's why 7 into minus 2. What is the answer? 7 into minus 2. Minus 14. Okay. Minus into plus minus. So 7 2s are 14. So that's why 7 2s are 14 minus 14. Here one minus is there. Minus. Now again you multiply 7 into minus 12. So plus into minus minus. 7 12s are how much? 7 12s are 84. Okay. 7 12s are 84. Okay. Okay, children. Listen carefully. Your question B part is 7 into minus 2 minus 7 into minus 12. First of all, we have to find the value of 7 into minus 2. Okay. So the value of 7 into minus 2 is minus 14. Next to find the value of 7 into minus 12. So the value of 7 into minus 12 is minus 84. Okay, clear? Yes. Now minus 14. Minus sign is there. So minus sign into plus. That time we put the additive inverse. Okay. So the additive inverse of minus 84 is plus 84. Okay, children, clear? Yes? Okay. Now you add these two integers. One is minus 14 and another one is 84. Here negative sign, this is positive sign. Okay. So if the integers having negative, opposite sign, B, find the difference and put the greater value sign. Okay, children? So that's why 84 minus 14 is equal to your answer is 70. Here greater value is 84. That sign is positive. So your answer is 70. Okay. Now you see here A part and B part answer is same. Yes, children? So these both parts are equal. Therefore 7 into minus 2 minus of minus 12 is equal to 7 into minus 2 minus 7 into minus 12. These both parts are equal. Okay. Are you clear? Yes. Now write it in the classwork note. Write neatly, children. Write neatly. Okay, children, next question. Listen children, here two parts are given. A part is minus 11 upon 3 into 5 upon 12 plus 2 upon 11, and B part is minus 11 upon 3 into 5 upon 12 plus minus 11 upon 3 into 2 upon 11. Okay. First of all, we have to find the value of A part. Okay. A part what is given? Minus 11 upon 3 into 5 upon 22 plus 2 upon 11. Okay. Here bracket inside what is given? 5 upon 22 plus 2 upon 11. So, first of all, we have to find the value of 5 upon 22 plus 2 upon 11. Okay. You see here, in addition, first you see the denominator. Okay. Here, denominator are different. So, that is two methods are there. Yes, children. One is cross multiplication method and another one is LCM method. Okay. But here, the denominator are so big. So, LCM method only best. Okay, children. So, you find the LCM of the denominator 22 and 11. Okay. So, the LCM of denominator 22 and 11. What is the LCM? So, definitely it is divided by 11. Okay. So, 2 11s are 22 and 1 11 is 11. Again, it is divided by 2. So, your answer is, the LCM is how much? 22. Okay. So, here you see here two rational numbers are there. One rational number already have the denominator as 22. Okay. So, now you change into the 2 upon 11 as the denominator 22. Okay. So, you take that rational number 2 upon 11. Now we need denominator as 22. So, you multiply. Which number we want to multiply? Here denominator already 11 is there. So, yes, 11 2s are 22. So, that's why you multiply by 2 by numerator and denominator. Okay, children? So, that's why denominator as 22. Now, numerator how much will come? 2 2s are 4. So, 2 upon 11 is equivalent to 4 upon 22. Okay. Now, therefore, now write it. Minus 11 upon 3 into 5 upon 22 plus 2 upon 11 is equivalent to 4 upon 22. Okay. Clear? Okay. Next. Minus 11 upon 3 into, you see here denominator are same. So, we add only the numerators. Okay. Here numerators have 5 and 4. Yes, children? So, 5 plus 4. Now, we add 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. That is upon 22. So, 11 minus 11 upon 3 into 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 upon 22. Okay. Clear? Now, the value of 5 upon 22 plus 2 upon 11 is equal to, your answer is 9 upon 22. Okay, children? Now, this is multiplication operation. Okay. So, first of all, you see that any common factors are there? Yes. Yes, children? It is surely divided by 11. So, 1 11 is 11. 2 11s are 22. Here, 1 3 is 3. 3 3 3s are 9. So the remaining here minus 1, here 3. So in multiplication you multiply by numerator, okay. So that's why minus 1 into 3 minus 3 upon, here denominator have 1 and 2. So you multiply by denominator. So 1 into 2 is 2. So therefore your answer is minus 3 upon 2. Okay, clear? Yes. Now next to find the value of B part. Yes children, what is given in the B part? What is given in the B part? Minus 11 into 11 upon minus 11 upon 3 into 5 upon 22 plus, okay, B part. Now you find the value of B part. Minus 11 upon 3 into 5 upon 22 plus minus 11 upon 3 into 2 upon 11. Okay, now you find the value. First of all, we have to find the value of minus 11 upon 3 into 5 upon 22. Yes children, why? This is a multiplication operation. So first we will do multiply only, okay. So in multiplication you see that any common factors? Yes, it is divided by 11. So 1 11 is 11, 2 11s are 22. Next, no common factor, so multiply, okay. So minus 1 into 5 minus 5 upon 3 2s are 6 plus, now you come here 11 11 cancel, okay. 1 11 is 11, 1 11 is 11. So the remaining minus 1 into 2 minus 2 upon 3 1 is 3. Okay, now you see here, this is operation is addition operation. Yes children, so you see the denominator are different. So you following two methods are the, one is LCM and another is cross multiplication method, okay. Here the denominator are very small number only. So you follow the cross multiplication method, okay. Yes. LCM method also easy only, okay children, do it anyway. So minus 15 minus 5 into 3 minus 15 plus 6 minus 2s are minus 12 upon 6 3s are 18, okay. Minus 15 plus minus 12 minus 27 upon 18. Yes children, here same that is same sign, so we have to add, yes, and put the same sign. So that's why minus 27. Now it is not a standard form, so common factor is there, yes. So it is surely divided by 9. Yes children, 3 9s are 27, 2 9s are 18. Okay, so the remaining is minus 3 upon 2. Now you see here, A part answer is minus 3 upon 2 and B part answer also minus 3 upon 2. Both parts are equal, therefore A part and B part is equal. Okay, okay children, yes. Therefore minus 11 upon 3 into 5 upon 22 plus 2 upon 11 equal to minus 11 upon 3 into 5 upon 22 plus minus 11 upon 3 into 2 upon 11. Okay, clear? Yes, write it in the classwork note. Only calculation. Okay children, do it carefully. Write neatly. Have you finished? The next question. Okay, children, listen. This is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay. So do carefully. First of all, solve the both parts. So first you take a part. A part is minus 7 upon 2 into curly bracket inside what is there? Minus 2 upon 3 minus 12 upon 7. Okay, children. So you find the value of first inside the bracket. Okay. Listen carefully. Equal to minus 7 upon 2 into what is there inside the curly bracket? Minus 2 upon 3 minus. The operation is subtraction. Okay. So you convert into addition. Yes, children. While subtracting an integer from another integer, we add the additive inverse of the integer to be subtracted. Okay. So that's why minus sign into plus. That time you put the additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of minus 12 upon 7? 12 upon 7. Okay. Next. Minus 7 upon 2 into minus 2 upon 3 plus 12 upon 7. So what is the value? Here addition, but the denominator are different. Yes, children. So எப்படி இருக்கு? Addition ஆனா என்னது நமக்கு denominator different ஆ இருக்கு. அப்ப என்ன செய்யணும்? ஒண்ணு cross multiplication methodல solve பண்ணனும் இல்லனா LCM methodல solve பண்ணனும். Okay. So I am using LCM method. Sorry, cross multiplication method. Why? You see here denominator it's very easy numbers only. Okay. There is small numbers only. So that is cross multiplication method is best. Okay. So now multiply by cross. Minus 2 into 7 multiply by cross. Okay. So minus 2 into 7 minus 14 plus 3 12s are 36 upon 3 7s are 21. Okay, children. Clear? Minus 7 upon 2 into minus 14 plus 36. What is the answer? Minus 14 plus 36. 22. Yes or no? 22. Here positive sign is big only. So that's why our answer is 22 upon 21. Okay. The value of minus 14 plus 36 upon 21 is 22 upon 21. Now you see here this is that is operation is multiplication. Okay. So first of all you check that numerator and denominator anything common factors. Yes, children. Is there anything? Yes. It is surely is 2 numbers are divided by 2. Okay. 1 2 is 2. 11 2s are 22. So therefore your remaining your answer. Here 7 21 is there. Yes. So 1 7 is 7. 1 7 is 7. 3 7s are 21. Okay. Now you multiply by numerator. Okay. So that's why minus 1 into 11 minus 11 upon denominator have 1 and 3. So multiply denominator by denominator. So that's why 1 3 is 3. So your answer is minus 11 upon 3. Okay, children. Clear? Now next to find the value of B part value. Okay. What is given in the B part? Minus 7 upon 2 into minus 2 upon 3 plus sorry, minus, yes, minus 7 upon 2 into minus 12 upon 7, okay. First of all, we have to find the value of minus 7 upon 2 into minus 2 upon 3. Here operation is multiplication, okay. So now you check anything common factors. Yes, 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2. The remaining is no common factor, yes. So there now you multiply by numerator by numerator. That means minus 7 into minus 1, minus into minus plus 7 into 1, 7 upon, here 1 is there. So 1 3 is 3. Minus sign. Next 1 7 is 7. 1 2 is 2. 6 2s are 12. So the remaining minus 1 and minus 6. Minus into minus plus 1 6 is 6 upon 1 1 is 1. Okay children, clear? Yes. Now you see here, this is operation is subtraction operation. Yes children? So while subtracting an integer, while subtracting and rational number to another rational number, we add the additive inverse of the rational number to be subtracted. Okay. So 7 upon 3 minus sign into plus, that time you put the additive inverse. Okay. So what is the additive inverse of 6 upon 1? Minus 6 upon 1. Clear? Okay. Yes. Now cross multiplication method. Why? This is addition but denominator are different. Okay. So you multiply by cross. 7 into 1, 7 plus 3 into minus 6, minus 18 upon 3 1 is 3. So what is the answer? 7 plus minus 18, minus 11 upon 3. Okay. Now you see here, A part answer is minus 11 upon 3 and B part also minus 11 upon 3. So both parts are equal. Okay. Therefore, minus 7 upon 2 into minus 2 upon 3 minus is equal to B part. Okay. Okay children, write it in the classwork note. Write neatly. Only calculation, so do it carefully. Okay. Have you finished? The next question. Evaluate the following. First question, 9 upon 12 into all of you listen. See the question, evaluate the following, okay. So first question, one bracket inside, 9 upon 12 into minus 24 upon 27 into 8 upon 11 into 33 upon 40. So first of all, you have to find the value of inside the bracket, okay. What is there inside the bracket? 9 upon 12 into minus 24 upon 27, yes children. So 9 upon 12 into minus 24 upon 27 multiply another bracket inside 8 upon 11 into 33 upon 40. Okay. So first of all you have to find the value of this bracket, then after you find the value of this bracket. Okay. So now you see here the operation is multiplication operation. Yes children. So first of all we have to see any common factors are there in between numerator and denominator, okay. So here in between numerator and denominator have anything common factors? Yes, it is surely divided by this, both are 2 and this is divided by 3. Yes children, here 1 12 is 12, 2 12s are 24. Now 1 9 is 9, 3 9s are 27, okay. Here, so this bracket inside, what is there? This is a multiplication, so you multiply by numerator, okay. So here 1 and minus 2, so 1 into minus 2 is equal to minus 2 upon, here denominator have 1 and 3, so 1 3 is 3. Okay children, நல்லா கவனிச்சுக்க, உனக்கு ரெண்டு பிராக்கெட்டுக்குள்ள உனக்கு வேல்யூ கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அப்போ என்ன செய்யணும்? முத பிராக்கெட்டில் இருக்கிறத முதல்ல வேல்யூவை கண்டுபிடிங்க. மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனாக இருக்கிறதுனால என்ன செய்யலாம்? நம்ம காமன் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் ஏதாவது இருக்கான்னு பாரு. காமன் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் இருக்கா? எஸ். Here 1 12 is 12, 2 12s are 24. Yes children, that is 1 9 is 9, 3 9s are 27. Now you remaining how much is there? Here 1, here minus 2. So in multiplication you multiply by numerator, okay. So that's why 1 2 is 2 minus 2, and denominator have 1 and 3, so that's why multiply by denominator 1 3 is 3. Okay, clear? Into multiplication into, next we have to find the value of this bracket inside, okay. Now 1 11 is 11, 3 11s are 33, 1 8 is 8, 5 8s are 40. Okay children, நீ இதை மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனாக இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் இப்படி கேன்சல் பண்ணணும். அதே இது அடிஷன் சப்ட்ராக்ஷன்னா என்ன செய்யணும்? நம்ம வேறு மெத்தடு, கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் மெத்தட் ஆர் எல்சிஎம் மெத்தட். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், புரிஞ்சுதில்ல? எஸ். ஸோ நவ் யூ ரிமைனிங் how much is there in multiplication? Multiply by numerator. So that's why 1 3 is 3 upon, here denominator have 1 and 5, okay. So that's why multiply by 1 and 5. So 1 5 is 5. Here also multiplication. So you see here any common factors? Yes. 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3. So the remaining minus 2 upon 5. Okay children, so the answer is minus 2 upon 5. Clear? Yes children? Yes. Now you write it in the classwork note. Write it. Very easy, okay. முதல்ல இதோட வேல்யூவை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம், அப்புறம் இதோட வேல்யூவை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். இது மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன். எல்லா ஆப்ரேஷனுமே நம்மளுக்கு என்னதில் இருக்குது? மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனில். அப்போ என்ன செய்யலாம்? கேன்சல் பண்ணிடலாம். சரியா? நியூமரேட்டர் டினாமினேட்டரில் ஏதாவது காமன் ஃபேக்டர் இருந்துச்சுன்னா மட்டும்தான் கேன்சல் பண்ணணும். ஓகே? அதே மாதிரி கேன்சல் பண்ணும்போது நியூமரேட்டருக்கும் கேன்சல் பண்ணக்கூடாது. காமன் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் பார்க்கக்கூடாது. எதுக்கும் காமன் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் பார்க்கணும்? நியூமரேட்டருக்கும் டினாமினேட்டருக்கும் தான் காமன் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் பார்த்து கேன்சல் பண்ணணும். சரியா? Okay children, next question. Children listen, you see the question. Minus 5 upon 13 into 26 upon 30 multiply 5 upon 7 into 21 upon 50. Okay. So first of all, we have to find the value of minus 5 upon 13 into 26 upon 13. Okay. This is under operation. We have to find the value of under multiplication. Okay children. So we have to see that in between numerator and denominator have common factors. Yes children, you see here any common factors are there in between numerator and denominator? Yes, here 5, numerator have 5, denominator have 30. Okay, so 1 5 is 5, 6 5s are 30, and 13 and 26. 1 13 is 13, 2 13s are 26. Okay children, so this is multiplication. So in multiplication, multiply by numerator. Okay, so here minus 1 and 2, so minus 1 into 2, minus 2 upon denominator have 1 and 6. So in multiplication, multiply denominator by denominator. So 1 6 is 6. Multiply. Next we have to find the value of 5 upon 7 into 21 upon 50. Okay. We have to find the value under multiplication. Yes children? Yes, here the operation is multiplication only. Okay. So now you check any common factors are there? Yes. 1 5 is 5, 10 5s are 50. So it is surely divided by 7. 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21. Okay. Now remaining how much is there? Here 1, here 3. So 1 3 is 3 upon denominator have 1 and 10. So 1 10 is 10. Okay. Now again you check numerator and denominator have common factors. Yes children? 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. 1 3 is 3, 2 6 are 2 3s are 6. Now you remaining here minus 1, here 1. So in multiplication, multiply by numerator. Okay. So that's why minus 1 into 1, minus 1 upon multiply by denominator. So 2 5s are 10. So your answer is minus 1 upon 10. Okay children? Clear? Yes. Write it in the classwork note. In 10th question, second one. Write it. Have you finished? Yes, children? Okay, now all of you take your book. Children, now all of you take your book, page number 25. Page number 25. Children, all of you take your book, page number 25. Revision exercise in 9th question. Children, listen. See your book, okay? Page number 25, 9th question. Filling the box by the correct number, okay? Filling the box by the correct number. You see the first one, minus 4 upon 6 plus minus 3 upon 7. One box is there, yes? Plus minus 4 upon 6. So, what is the answer? இதை பார்க்கும்போது நம்மளுக்கு என்ன தோணுது? காமிட்டேட்டிவ் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி தெரியுதா? காமிட்டேட்டிவ் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டினா என்ன? நம்ம எப்படி தான் ஆர்டராக சேஞ்ச் பண்ணி எழுதினாலும் நம்மளுக்கு ஆன்சர் என்னவா இருக்கும்? சேமாக இருக்கும். அப்போது இங்கே ஃபஸ்ட்டு பாரு, minus 4 upon 6 plus minus 3 upon 7 equal to, these both values are equal, okay? Equal to, one box is given, plus minus 4 upon 6. So what is the answer here? நம்மளுக்கு என்ன செய்திருக்காங்க? ஆர்டரை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. இங்கே முதல்ல வந்திருக்கிறது இங்கே என்ன வந்துடுச்சு? லாஸ்ட்டுக்கு வந்துடுச்சு. அப்போ இங்கே என்ன வரும்? மைனஸ் 3 upon 7. கரெக்ட்? minus 4 upon 6 plus minus 3 upon 7 equal to, now change the order, okay? So that's why minus 3 upon 7 plus minus 4 upon 6. Okay, children? Correct? Yes. Now you see the second one. Minus 6 into minus 3 into minus 4, okay, equal to, now minus 3 and minus 4 is in one group. Yes, children, this is for associative property, remember? Yes, so this is for associative property. So first of all, minus 3 and minus 4 is written one group, okay? Now change the group, that means minus 6 and minus 4 is separate. So which number will come here? Minus 3. Okay, children? So minus 6 into minus 3. So your answer is minus 3. Okay? புரிஞ்சுதா? இதில் commutative propertyல நம்ம ஆர்டரை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணி எழுதினாலும் நம்மளுக்கு ஈக்குவல். இங்கே நம்மளுக்கு என்ன இருக்கு? அசோசியேட்டிவ் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டியில் குரூப்பை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுவோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இது ரெண்டையும் ஒரு குரூப்பாக எடுத்திருக்காங்க. அடுத்தால என்ன செய்வோம்? இது ரெண்டையும் ஒரு குரூப்பாக எடுப்போம். சரியா? So that's why our answer is minus 3. Now you come to the third one. Minus 3 into 11 into 5 upon 6 into that don't know the answer, okay? 5 upon 6 into minus 3 upon 11 into 17 upon 20. These both value answers are equal. Yes, children, what is given? Equal sign is given. So what is the answer? Minus 3 upon 11 is there, 5 upon 6 is there. So the remaining, which number is not there here? 11 upon 20. So your answer is 11 upon 20. Okay? Yes. Now you come fourth one. Minus 6 into plus minus 7 plus minus 11. Okay? So here not there, one number will come. Okay? So the remaining values minus 6 and minus 7 is there. Yes, children? So here minus 11 is missing. So your answer is minus 11. Okay? Yes. Now you come to fifth one. 4 upon 3 into 3 upon 5 minus is not there. Okay? So distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay? So which number will come here? 4 upon the distributive property. What is the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction? A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. Yes, children? This is the property of multiplication over subtraction. So here A is equal to 4 upon 3, B is equal to 3 upon 5, C is equal to is given, yes, 5 upon 6. Yes, children? A is equal to 4 upon 3, B is equal to 3 upon 5. So here what will come? A into B. So that's why A is 4 upon 3. So your answer is here 4 upon 3. But here, which answer will come? A into B minus C. Here C is equal to 5 upon 6. So your answer is here 5 upon 6. Okay? Clear? Yes. Now you see fifth one is not the 2 upon 5 minus 9 upon 4. That means B and C are given. Okay? Here A into B minus A into C. So here A is equal to minus 7 into 13. Okay, children? Purinjada? Namaliki idu enna property? Distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay? So your property is A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. Here A is equal to, you see here, right hand side. A is equal to minus 7 upon 13, B is equal to 2 upon 5 and C is equal to 9 upon 4. So here A into B minus C. So A is equal to minus 7 upon 13. Okay, children? Clear? Do you understand? Yes. Now write it in your book, page number 25. You write it in your book. Page number 25, questions are there. Okay, in your book, so you write only answers. Okay, children? You write the answer in your book, page number 25, 9th question. Write it. Page number 25, 9th question. Write the answer in your book. This is sixth one. Page number 95 in 9th question. Write the answers in your book. Okay. Have you finished? Yes. Now homework sums. Mark the homework sums. Okay. Page number 23. Children, listen. All of you take your book, page number 23. Page number 23. Question number 9. In exercise 1.4, question number 9. In ninth question, first one. Okay, children? Children, listen carefully and take your book, page number 23. In page number 23, question number 9, first one. Okay? This is the homework. Now, in page number 24, same question number 9 only, fourth part. Sorry, third part. Okay? Question number, same question, question number 9, third part. And page number 24, same page, question number 10, first one and third one. Okay. The next, page number 25, question number 10. Page number 25, question number 10, second one and fourth one. These are homework. Do in your homework note. Okay, children? Do you understand? Yes. The first lesson is over. The first lesson is very important. This is the basis of mathematics. Okay. So, you have to go back and look at the problems in the first lesson. Practice all the sums again and again. Okay, children? I will conduct the next lesson in the next class. Okay. Now, we will see in the next class. Thank you.